Welcome to this week's Bailey Build. Today we head outdoors and we look at some solutions to keep those lawns nice and green with two different expandable water hoses.
First up, we have the silver bullet hose. There are a few things I really liked about this hose. The silver bullet is incredibly lightweight, making it a breeze to maneuver around your yard without causing any strain or fatigue for the average person. Perfect for those long watering sessions. When in use, the hose expands up to 3 times as long as it is coming out of the packaging. It contracts back for easy storage once you turn the water off, but the expandable design saves a lot of space in your backyard and is pretty convenient when trying to store it. The silver bullet is built pretty tough with durable outer shell and inner tubing. Now it's designed to withstand regular use, resist kinks, punctures, and abrasions. Well, the good thing about this I found is that you don't have to fight with the tangled hoses. The silver bullet is engineered to prevent kinks, tangles, and ensures a pretty smooth water flow without interruption. And finally, the silver bullet comes with a solid brass connector that I found to be pretty leak-proof as advertised on the package. It was easy to attach to any standard spigot, and it does provide a pretty secure and reliable connection. Next up, I want to check out the Zero G hose. The Zero G hose, of course, had some different features that caught my attention. Once again, there were a few things I liked and found pretty interesting. The Zero G hose is significantly lighter than a traditional garden hose. I did find it was easy to carry around and drag, and I think you would as well. Maneuvering around the yard would be pretty easy without causing much of a strain. Engineered to be kink resistant, the Zero G hose ensures a consistent water flow without interruption, even when twisted or coiled. When reading the package, you can see here it mentions that they are made of high quality material. The Zero G hose designed to be puncture resistant, abrasion resistant, which makes it perfect for use in the front yard, even around your vehicles. Its flexible and collapsible design allow the Zero G hose to be easily coiled up. You can also store it in compact spaces. The picture on the side also mentions you can store it in an empty bucket. The Zero G hose was equipped with commercial-grade crush-proof aluminum couplings. Now this hose provides a secure and leak-free connection to any standard spigot as well, enhancing its reliability and use.
Well, after getting a chance to test out both water hoses, I think they both serve pretty practical purposes around the house. I think the longer, of course, more durable one go great in the front yard, with the expandable one working great and being a space saver in your backyard. If you love to learn more tips like this, click like or smash that subscribe button. Until the next time, take care.